Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious whipped cream from Amul cream. First, it's crucial to chill your Amul fresh cream thoroughly, ideally for at least 30 minutes. Also, place your mixing bowl and beaters in the freezer during this time. This cold environment is key to achieving light, fluffy whipped cream. Make sure your cream has a fat content of 25% or more for the best texture. Once your cream and equipment are perfectly chilled, pour the Amul cream into your cold bowl. Start whipping on a low speed to prevent splattering, then gradually increase to medium-high. You'll notice the cream beginning to thicken and become airy. Keep whipping steadily, and in about 5 to 7 minutes, you should see soft peaks forming, which means it holds its shape briefly. Now it's time to add some sweetness and flavor to your whipped cream. Reduce the mixer speed to low and carefully add powdered sugar, starting with 1 to 2 tablespoons, adjusting to your taste. For a classic touch, incorporate about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also gently fold in other flavorings like a dash of cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist. Continue whipping on medium-high speed until the cream forms stiff peaks that stand up firmly when you lift the beaters. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your beautiful whipped cream grainy or even into butter. Once perfect, transfer your freshly made whipped cream to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, and it will stay delightful for up to 2 days, ready for your desserts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.